guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a new mystery box by Pretty Vulgar. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this just arrived. I did do the last mystery box about like 4 to 5 months ago, I want to say, and I got an email saying they're back. So I wanted to get one to see what was going to be in here. Pretty Vulgar has the cutest packaging, and I've been loving everything that I've received so far. So I really like that they're doing the mystery boxes because it's a good way to get to know their products and you pay a lot less. So this box is supposed to have 5 products in here. I paid $55 and I just looked, and as of right now, as I'm filming anyway, they are still available. I will link it down below if you would like to see if they are still available to grab one for yourself. And the 5 products that are in here that you pay $55 for is supposed to have a retail value of $138. It does say all sales are final, no refunds or exchanges. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what's going to be in this mystery box. So there's a little sneak peek to inside, and everything is like all wrapped up down inside. Ooh, one product came out and in here. This time I'm actually really hoping that there's going to be a eyeshadow palette. Last box there was a like face palette, blush and bronzer palette, and I was hoping for an eyeshadow palette because I only have one eyeshadow palette from them, and I was hoping to get another one. So let's go ahead and just see what we're going to have and what the 5 products are going to be. They did this in another mystery box. I've actually received 2 different types of mascara from them. One is in a regular tube that I'm still currently using, and it's actually my second one that I have used. The first one, I used it all. I got another one in one of their boxes, so I replaced it, and that's what I'm gonna do with this one. But this is in color 19 black. It says the Feathers mascara. And let me show you that the packaging is so freaking cute. It's like a little bird cage on the end of it. So this is what it looks like. It has the little bird on the top, and then the wand for the mascara looks like that. So again, I will just go ahead and hold tight to this until my other one is done, and then I will have a backup, but it does have their logo right there in the middle. It's kind of hard to see, but that is just so cute. I love, love, love their packaging. So this says The Raven. So that must be number 19. It's the black color, and it's The Raven. So that is super cute. I'm kind of glad to have another one. So then next we have, it says Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer. Ooh, I have not tried any of their primer. This is in color 44. I normally just use an all-around primer to do over my whole entire face. I don't do like my face and my eyes separately, but I will definitely try this out on my eyelids and see if it does anything different when I use my eyeshadow. It's like a, looks kind of like a foundation type color to it. Ooh, it feels nice. It blended in perfectly. I'm not really picking up on a scent or anything. No. It blended in. It feels nice in that little spot, so I'm actually excited to try that. So we have an eyeshadow primer. The next item says Holographic Liquid Eyeliner, and that's in a VIXEN Glimmer, and it says color 122 Dare to Glare. I'll show you what the inside packaging looks like, but this one I'm going to set aside for one of you guys, because if you do follow me, you know I do not care for liquid eyeliner. I think one of the very first BoxyCharms that I ever got, like I'm going back like 4 years ago, I think, it had a Pretty Vulgar, and it looked like a little ink pot, and it was a liner, but you dip it in and you do it. It was like a little ink pot, and it was so cute, and I kept it for the packaging, and I think I tried to use it one time, and I was like, I don't know how the hell to do this. But that's what the packaging looks like. But I'll put it right back in the box, and this will go to one of you guys, so I'm not going to open it up. It says VIXEN Glimmer 122 Dare to Glare. So there's that. So then down inside the second little set here, ooh, we do have a new one. Okay, so let's go with this first, and then I'll show you the eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is a highlighter, and it says Shimmering Swan, and this says Lilac Lust. Let me see what color I have currently, because I don't want it to be the same color. I know I did get one. I think it was a purplish color. What does this one look like? Purple. Let me go grab my other one just in case, because I don't want to open this if that's the one that I have. So hold on. Good thing my memory serves me correctly at some point, because that is the one that I have. So let me go ahead and just stick, because I don't want to get fingerprints all over it. So let me just drop this right back down in the box, because this will then go in a future giveaway for one of you guys. So put that right back in the box and I will show you mine. Again, this is in color 128 Lilac Lust. It's Shimmering Swan. So this is the same exact color that they put in another box. So, I mean, for the mascara, which a lot of people use mascara on a daily basis. So months later, you might need another mascara, but you wouldn't need maybe another highlighter. So it probably would have been nice if it was in a different color, but that's okay. It is a mystery box. You get what you get. So it is a purplish color. And then when you look at it, it's very like blind, like shiny, shiny, shiny. So let me put it on my hand. See? It's super pretty. But it is definitely a purple. When you have it on your hand, it definitely looks like a pure lilac color that I'm picking up on my end. And there's that. So you have a shimmering highlighter. But again, I have that color already. So I'm so glad that I remembered it before I opened it. And then here is the palette, you guys. This one says Pretty Vulgar, Pretty Birdie Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm hoping this is not the one that I have. Let's see, let's see. Oh, I see blue already. Nope, mine's definitely not this color. So here's the packaging. How pretty. I love that teal. Pretty Birdie. Embrace your beautiful contradictions, it says on the back. These are definitely different colors than what I have, so I'm so excited to get another palette. That's what I've been waiting for, to be honest, so I'm really glad to see this. So the palette is shaped like a birdcage, of course. There is a large mirror on the top if you wanted to remove that. So you have some of the lighter colors, and then you have some all different types of colors. You got blues, purples, reds, greens, all of the above. So I'm so glad, because the other one that I have is more like browns. I think it had browns and like blue grays. So it didn't have any like fun colors. So I'm glad to get another one. So let me go ahead and swatch some of these for you so you can see some of the colors. This blue is kind of like a blue greenish color, like it shifts colors to like a green blue. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. It is really beautiful. Ooh, and even like this last blue, it has like a purplish color in with it. It's not just blue. These are so pretty. Okay, so here's 4 colors. Let me grab a few more. Okay, so a few more colors on there added would be right there. Basically, it's all of the colors on this side, just not these lighter ones, because those don't really show up on my skin that much either way. But those colors and how they have the different shift in those few are so, so pretty. This like teal color is just beautiful. The pigment that came on it, and I only had to really swipe once. I didn't even have to go back in. So their pigment is really, really good. So I'm so excited to try out this palette, you guys. And I'm so glad that it was an eyeshadow palette. That's definitely what I've been waiting for to see in these, and for the last few anyway. So I'm so glad that we got it this time. So going over this mystery box one more time. Again, it's $55 value with a retail value of $138. So you have this eyeshadow palette, which is super pretty, and I cannot wait to try it out. You have a highlighter, which is this purple color right here. You have a liquid eyeliner, which will go to one of you guys. You have a eyeshadow primer, which I'm excited to test out. And then the cutest little packaging when it comes to mascara that I'm gonna have as a backup. So I'm excited about that. So I'm actually really, really pleased with this box, you guys. I'm super, super excited that they did it again, and I'm glad I got the email so I was able to grab it so I can show you guys. So definitely comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the products that they put in this mystery box? I'm really, really excited about them. I get to share a few with you guys, and then I get some that I've been waiting for, and I'm super excited about this. So it's a win-win, definitely. I definitely do think this was definitely worth the $55. So there's that. Again, I will link it down below if you want to check to see if it is still available, or check out their website in general. I will link that down below for you guys. And again, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the products that was inside? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.